everyone, welcome back. We are in episode 11. We are going to discuss about two journals which are unpaid journals on law, computer technology, social science. So one journal is from UGC and another is in Scopus. So watch till the end to understand like how what are the important aspects you have to look into the journal before you submit. Okay, I'll be discussing about everything in detail. So before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel, so please go and subscribe now if you haven't subscribed yet. So you can find lot of playlist which will be useful for you. The one important playlist is what this one, like SCI, Scopus, Annex 1, UGC-CARE, VOS journal. So this is very important. So I'll be updating the videos weekly, twice or thrice here as an episodes. Okay, so you can find it. And another important playlist is what all about research, which will be useful for you in your research. You can learn many things, right from writing a letter to the editor, how to find the clone journal, how to write a letter to waive off your article processing charges, many more things. What are the hurdles I have faced, I have explained that in this particular video. So please go and check this. And the next one is what if you want to talk to me, if you have any queries related to research, if you want any interview tips, if you want me to conduct a mock interview, resume review, so whatever, you can just schedule a call with me. I'll be there to help you out. The link is in the description. So we are first we are going to see the UGC-CARE list of journal about a law. So you can see here this National Law School journal, and the publisher is what National Law School of India University. This is what the ISSN number, and this is there in UGC-CARE. See, this present is what I am talking about this journal in the month of April. Okay, and 2024. If you are watching this video after 3 months, like June or July or August, so please go and recheck that in the UGC-CARE list of journal. If you want to know how to recheck and everything, please comment it. I will help you how to do that. Okay, so this is, you have to find this one. Okay, so it's there in the UGC-CARE when I am searching it, so you have to check that. So the first one you can see here, and if you click on this view details, so you have to check this as well. It should be present. Okay, so once if you click on this view details, it will take you to this page. So this is what the journal, okay, this is what the name of the journal, and this is the publication language, and you can find about the ISSN. Discipline is what social science, and the focus subject is what law. Okay, so this is the focus subject. If you click on this journal, it will take you to this particular link. So this is the journal link. So far, if you find this video useful, please give a like, share it with your friends to share the knowledge. So your likes and your comments will definitely inspire me and give me the motivation to release more videos like this. So yes, so this is National Law School of Journal, and here you can see the peer reviewed journal, and you can also see that this will published twice a year. Okay, 2 times a year they are publishing it, and it is indexed under UGC-CARE, which means that it's not indexed in Scopus. They haven't mentioned that it is indexed in the Scopus. Okay, so you can find the archives, like what are the previously released books. So these are the articles which are released previously, case, book reviews and everything which are so why should you see this? You will understand like what is the expectation of a editor from your article. So the thing is, like, you can prepare, you don't want to just copy that, but you can follow that format and that structure. So this is the one. Okay, and the next one is, this is the journal home. If you go to the aim and scope of the journal, it will tell you like what are the aim, okay, and scope of the journal. So here it is like to publish peer reviewed scholarship, law and allied disciplines, to encourage established and emerging scholars develop new knowledge. Okay, they are focusing these topics like um legal professionals, policymakers, including sociology, anthropology, history, political science, criminology, and everything. They are confined with these thing. Okay, these subjects. And you can go to the submission guidelines. So if you talk about the submission guidelines, what are the important thing you have to see it? What, there is no fees for submission or publication. This is important things to notice. Okay, and you can submit any of these type of article. One, it might be a research article, it might be the overview article, legislative and case notes, and book reviews. Any one from this. Okay, so you can, and they are also mentioning about how many words it should be, because since they are publishing it for free, so they will be considering about the paper size and everything. So it should be 5,000 to 8,000 words if it is a research article, and if it's an overview article, it should be 10,000 words. And you can see the guidelines here. If you click on this detailed guideline, you can see this guidelines here. Okay, and if it's a legislative case note, so this is the words, and book reviews, this is the word. And you can see the style, like how you have to write the article, like how you have to format your article. They have given the detailed notes here. And you can also see the contact. If you wanted to ask any questions to them, you can ask this. Before that, you can see here that you have an FAQ. So you can first go and check whether your questions, any of your question have answered here. So I don't have electronic version of old working papers that I would like to include in the repository. How to scan, like is it okay to scan, and how do I revise your submission? Okay, and how can I submit the multi-part file? So if you don't have any of these questions, then you can just go ahead and look for the contact and send them a message about it. Okay, so that is also possible. So here you can find like how many papers they are accepting based on your archives. Like you can just go to the issue. So far it's issue 1, 16. Okay, I'm just selecting volume 9. So they have accepted this much journals, sorry, articles. Okay, so you can submit it and see. Fine. So they haven't mentioned anything about like how many days they will be taking to review it, and what are the other process, anything. So if you want to know that, you can send a mail to them and ask for that. Okay, so let us go for the next thing, which is under Scopus. So here I have found this journal, International Journal of Technology Management. You can see it is there since 1986 to present. Even you have to see this present. And you can see that this is science law, social science law, business management and accounting, general engineering, business management, accounting, computer science and application, so which are related to the technology and management. So once if you click here, it will take you to this page, and you can find International Journal of Management. It is InterScience publication, and this is 12 issues per year. Okay, so which means that there are a lot of possibility that you will get your results soon, status of the things soon. So about the journal, you can see what are the topics they are covering. Okay, everything including the competitiveness and cooperation, knowledge assets and everything. And you can also find it's there in Scopus, SCI index, everything. Okay, and then you can go to the submitted article. So you can see that there are no charges of for publication with InterScience unless you require your article to be open access. Okay, and it's a double blind review they are undergoing, and they are your paper will be undergoing double blind review, and you have author guidelines as well. Okay, you can find the complete author guidelines here. You can find whether how long it will take to get your first result. If you have any queries other than this, you can send a mail to the editor and check whether you can get anything more than this. And they have given the submission checklist as well, where you can find like what are the important things you should consider before you submit your file. Okay, that is, this aspect is very important. In both the cases, you have to check for what, you have to check for the plagiarism, allowed plagiarism percentage. Most probably it will be under 30 percentage in most of the journal, and few journals will restrict to 10 percentage. So you have to check that. If you are not see, plagiarism is, I'm not telling you that you will be copying everything and pasting it. No, see, few definitions which we cannot change. Okay, like what is the Newton's law, we cannot change that law, right? So in that case, even if you cannot rephrase and write it, so in that case what you have to do is, what you have to go with keeping the same words and sentences exactly. So even that will show you plagiarism, because it is available in almost all the searches. So in that case, you should know how you can reduce the plagiarism percentage. Even that I have discussed in my playlist all about research. Okay, so you can see how to reduce the plagiarism and everything. So yes, I think we come to an end. So these two journals, go and please go and check and try to submit your article. And if you have any queries related to anything related to the research, you can just schedule a call with me. The link is in the description. And please comment if you have any subject in your mind and if you want to see the journals. Thank you, take care, and bye bye. I'll meet you soon in the next video.